Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well, inshallah. Ignore the pani ka sound. I'm just going to take a bath. So today we are doing all of this shopping because I have my cousin's wedding on the 9th, and that, let's wear proper South Indian, Hindu South Indian kind of a wear. And that's why we are doing the shopping. And as such, because we are Muslims and we don't have that much temple jewelry and all, and we won't repeat that, so there was no point in buying gold jewelry itself. So we thought we'll buy some artificial jewelry, and so we are going, so that this will be one time where at the most like couple of uses. So we are going to Manas Market hopefully, and in and around the places to see if we can get something gold plated, or if we can get something artificial. So yeah, that's the plan. And yeah, we're heading out. Me and my mom are, especially me, my mom, my sister, my aunt, as in my khala is are of those category who plan to the T and wear everything like proper, matching, and decide what outfits we have to wear. We choose a theme and all of that. So even if the whole khandan is not doing, me and my mom, and if my aunt is invited to that wedding, then her, of course, we all the three of us, and if my sister was here, then even her. So all the four of us always tend to do that micro planning, and we make sure that everything is on the spot, and the whole thing. We do have some jewelry, but that doesn't match the theme, so but before I do that, I wanted to show you this shampoo. Last time around, when I wanted to show the shampoo was over. So this is this Kumari shampoo. This is not sponsored. I'm just telling you because I really love this shampoo, and it's so underrated. It's made in India, it's made in Karnataka, and this is their third package. The shampoo is like detoxifier for your hair, and I really love the shampoo, and I use it at least once a week. Why this particular shampoo is because it has aloe vera in this, and it really helps my hair give that shine, and the lackluster I feel because of the water in Bangalore. It just helps me with that. So I wanted to show this to you last time itself, and this is available only in Ayurvedic shops. It's not available everywhere. It's available in Ayurvedic shops, and I think it's available on Amazon, but you would have to buy 2 bottles of it. And this is so cheap, that this is just 175 rupees for how much is this? For 200 ml. Can you believe this whole bottle is for just 175 rupees? And it's made in India, and it's made in Karnataka. So I really love it, and I've been using this for over 5, 6, I don't know how long. I've seen them from their the first packaging, so I've used this for quite some time, and I really like this, and I wanted to show it to you guys. So if you have like very itchy scalp, or if there's dandruff, this will also help that cause, because there's aloe vera in it. So yeah, I just wanted to show this guy to you guys, because I always show what I love, and I have to go run and take a bath. So we'll do that and then catch up with you guys. I don't know how much of it I can vlog. I'm telling you again. Catch up with you guys once I take my bath. Bye.
यार मैं फिर से भूल गई बाहर से रिकॉर्ड करना, शॉप का नेम लेना. तो ये वाला शॉप जो जब सयाजीरा रोड से टर्न लोगे, नीचे में ही on Devrajas Road, you will find this shop. He has a lot of imitation jewelry, 1 gram jewelry, all of that, anything and everything इनके पास है. So you guys can definitely check out. और चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं ब्लॉग में. नेक्स्ट वो उसी के बगल में देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट शॉप्स, बट उसी के बगल में एक शॉप था जहाँ पे मम्मी वांटेड टू बाय ड्राई फ्रूट्स. सो माय मम्मा बेयर वाज पिकिंग सम एप्रिकॉट्स एंड some things like fryams and all of that. बस वही उस दिन हमने बस यही किया and then we headed home. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe, and ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहिएगा, and I'll keep coming back with more content for you. Love you guys. Bye.